Hello, in this video I'm creating a wizard tower in Tinkercad, looking at PUBG, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. And you may notice that there isn't much sound or that you can't hear me talking sometimes, though I might be looking like I'm talking in the lower right. That's because I was playing some copyrighted music and Twitch cut that out. So anyway, you can see some design stuff. I'm going to speed it up so you can kind of see it quickly, but hope you enjoy. Thank you. At this point, I realized that I don't really have very good reference images, so I jumped into PUBG and just found a wizard tower over on the east coast, north of Lipovka, and took a few shots here from different angles and stored these. And I looked at these sort of in a separate window, so use them though to design, kind of eyeball the design of the wizard tower. No, I didn't end up modeling anything from inside here, but I did see a helmet and a vest. How can you not pick those up? Now it's time to just put in some windows. Here I'm realizing that there's an indentation where the door should be on the second floor, and also that all of my doors are too large. So I'm now going to go and put in an indentation and the other door. With all the interior done, now it's time to create the roof. And the roof here, I initially tried to make it out of a couple of hexagons, but it turns out it should be a couple of octagons, and then they go right across here to make a nice roof between the two sort of octagonal cones. With the roof done, we're going to start making the stairs here in a second. I had a heck of a time selecting these little pieces of floor here because I was kind of inside a bounding box of something else, so that took a little bit to get this right. That's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever, wherever you're seeing this, and appreciate it. Thank you.